You are already probably familiar with the browser developer tools. Let's take a quick look. I right click on the web browser and I'm selecting inspect, and that should bring up the developer tools. Now let us install a couple of extensions to help with our React development. So to install extensions on Chrome, you can either go to Chrome and select preferences, or you can click here and select extensions under more tools. Either option is fine. So let me click on preferences, and that will bring up the settings page, and you can see that there is a extensions menu item here. So let's click on that and click on this hamburger menu, and at the bottom you can see that there is open Chrome Web Store on the bottom left. So click that and that should open up the Chrome Web Store. In the Chrome Web Store, search for React, and you can see that the first search result is React Developer Tools, and it's offered by Facebook, and the description says adds React debugging tools to the Chrome Developer Tools. So select that and click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension in the pop-up. So that will add the React Developer Tools to our Chrome web browser. Now let's go back. Let's close the developer tools and reopen it again. And let's reload the page. And you can see that there is a new menu item in the developer tools called components. Let's click on components, and you can see that there is one component called app. The app component that is being shown in the list of components here is the function app over here in app.js. If you remember, in our React App 1 project, we had one component called app, and that is what we are seeing here. Let's click on that, and you can see that on the right side there are a few properties and values being shown. So remember that components stands for React Developer Tools, and we will be using that for debugging purposes. Now let us also install the Redux Developer Tools. So let's go to the Chrome Web Store again and search for Redux, and you can see that the first result is Redux Dev Tools offered by Remote Dev.io. Select this and add it to Chrome. Now Redux Dev Tools also has been added to Chrome. Let us go back to our React application web page here, and let's close the Dev Tools and reopen the Dev Tools again. And we should see a new menu item called Redux over here. Let's click on that. We are not using Redux in this particular example, so it is saying no store found. Make sure to follow the instructions. But when we start using Redux, we will see a lot of information over here. The Redux Dev Tools are especially very useful. With this, we can say that our setup for React development is complete.